అందరికి నమస్కారం అండి. 4 ఏళ్ల తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఒక సినిమా వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఈ సినిమా షూటింగ్ 3.5 ఏళ్ళు అయితే లాక్డౌన్లో మనందరం కలిసి ఒక సంవత్సరం కూడా ఉన్నాం దీనికోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తూ. నేను ఫస్ట్ నుంచి సినిమాలు చేసేటప్పుడు చేసే ప్రతి సినిమా రెలవెంట్గా ఉండాలి, ఆ రోజు రిలీజ్ అయ్యే రోజుకి రెలవెంట్గా ఉండాలి, 10 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత కూడా అది రెలవెంట్గా ఉండాలనుకున్నాను. అండ్ గత సంవత్సరం మనందరికి అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ అనేది మన మీద తిరుగుబాటు చేస్తే మనం ఇంట్లో కూర్చోవడం తప్పితే ఇంకేం చేయలేమని. ఈ సినిమాలో నుంచి నేర్చుకున్నది అంతా ఇంత కాదు. అండ్ దానికి ప్రభు గారికి ఒక 8 నెలలుగా ఈ సినిమా రెడీ అయినా కూడా పెద్ద పెద్ద సినిమాలన్నీ ఓటీటీ కానీ ఇటు అటు వెళ్తూ ఉంటే ఈ సినిమా వేరే మూడు లాంగ్వేజ్లో చేసాం. సో ఈరోస్ మా ప్రొడ్యూసర్ వాళ్ళకే ఒక ఓటీటీ కూడా ఉంది. అండ్ ఒక సంవత్సరం హోల్డ్ చేసి తెలుగులో కాదు, తమిళ్లో కాదు, ఇండియా అంతా థియేటర్లో ఓపెన్ అయిన రోజు థియేటర్లోనే రిలీజ్ చేద్దాం ఈ సినిమాని ఆగిన ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్కి నేను థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తాను. అండ్ వాళ్ళల్లో దిస్ టీమ్ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ బీ స్పెషల్ అండ్ they'll hold a special place in my heart and my life always. Thank you.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, press and media. There were many moments. Daily shooting was, I can't explain in words. So we were at midst of the real tiger reserve. So the conservators used to come and say to me, sir, the time you should move before the tigers come inside. So not only like that, every day without pain there is no gain. I must thank Rana sir the most because he is the voice of the elephant in this film. He has been the voice of the elephant because for the past 5 to 6 years I am traveling with the elephant research, and India is the second largest population of this nature and things. So now because of that, the 2020 we have crossed that pandemic. We think there is no connection with this deforestation and this virus. The main reason is the deforestation, due to that the global warming. So everything is connected with this cycle. So we should not disturb the cycle. And this film, Aranya, it is not, the way we have said is not a documentized or a documentary pattern. It is a commercial film. Who are not only the heroines, they were a part of this film and they all took the script on their shoulder and they all walked along with me. So once again, I want to thank all. Press and media, please give your support and give us encouragement to do such kind of films again. Thank you so much.
And heartfelt film. Like Prabhu sir said, it's a big screen extravaganza and it has to be watched and experienced only on the big screen. And we waited and all the cinemas to have open up with 100% occupancy, and we're hoping to give it a very, very wide and a big release. And we hope the audience loves the film and they come in large numbers and make a grand success out of our film. Thank you.
My character name in this movie is Singa, and a very, very important character in this movie who travels along with the audience, whose mindset works along with the audience, and as the audience's mindset changes towards the climax of the movie, even my character's mind changes towards the climax of the movie. So a lot of shades of my character in the movie. I'm really happy. It's my first film in Telugu, and I can't ask for a better first film. So Rana has already told you the reason why this being a very special movie for him, and also more special, I'm sure it's his first movie after marriage. So it'll be very memorable, and I'm really happy and lucky to be part of such a big film for Telugu audiences to watch me and receive me well, and the movie also really well. Thank you so much. Before leaving, I want to thank Rana sir because he's the reason I actually became a part of this movie. So he's a great friend now, and I hope that I always continue this friendship. Thank you.
To be in this film, I'm very excited. This is my first Telugu film. My mother's from Hyderabad, I have lots of family here. So doing it in Telugu was quite a treat for me. With the action, obviously, it has to be.
Please look at
I hope that you like my performance and it seems convincing, not only in the larger scheme of everything, but also just for me. I think everybody that was, I mean, it was quite a monumental film to shoot and achieve. And I think that when everybody does go and watch the film, they'll really be able to feel that in terms of just the visual and sound treat that it is. So do go out and watch it. I'm super grateful for this opportunity. Thank you, Prabhu sir. Thank you, Eros, for getting me on board. And what a fun bunch of people to be with. So thank you, guys.
Angarki Namaskaram. Wow. To begin with, I have to say that yes, I made sure that my Tamil and Telugu, at least I know how to say hello. I don't know much, but at least I tried to know that. I'm really very grateful to be part of this film because, you know, as actors, as artists, we often ask ourselves, how are we going to leave our legacy? How are we going to make a mark? And so much is happening in the world today. Global warming being one of the major issues that we are facing. And when you have a film that is truly, in its own way, not just entertaining, but trying to make a difference, I think that is what kept the team together. And somewhere it was Prabhu sir's single-minded determination to say that, I don't know, sir, if you have some connection with elephants that goes beyond just filmmaking, but I think we really felt that. And thank you so much, Rana. You're such a wonderful co-actor, being patient with our lack of language skills. But this film, like Rana said, was beyond just filmmaking. We felt a certain responsibility, and I think we've all come out as better people because we're constantly taking things from this planet. But this film will hopefully make you realize that there is so much more that we have to give back. So thank you so much. And just to quickly answer your question, I play the character of a news reporter in the film who, against all odds, decides to walk the path of justice and stands by Rana's character to help him fight for the elephants. So I think that's another thing to learn, to sort of do honest media reporting. So it was a very enriching experience.